wig. It comes with about 2 to 3 inches of parting space, not a whole lot of parting space. It does come with your standard combs inside. I did not tint the lace on this wig. Only thing I did was use my Sally Hansen leg makeup. I have a full video on how I do that. You already know, it'll be either below or somewhere up here. Okay, so I really don't know what type of look I'm going for with this wig, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I want to do with this wig. So that's the parting space. Pretty good. No bleaching, just only the Sally Hansen. I feel like I want the part to be more defined. A little bit of liquid foundation, and see how it just makes it stand out. I'm going to be using my favorite wax stick. You guys see this in like every video. It's because it's a staple, sis. It looks like this. I got mine from my local beauty supply store. And basically what it does is it helps tame like flyaways without weighing the hair down, and it with some heat to kind of press out the hair. See how it makes a difference? It makes the hair more smoother, and I can just kind of pull it down. I probably should have did this first, guys. Here's the reason why I prefer to do baby hairs. Baby hairs, number one, hides the lace, okay? It really does. And then number two, it really helps like with laying the frontal down. So that's why like I prefer baby hairs. To me, it just looks better. Using the basic Eco Styling Gel. Duh. So take a little bit of gel, just a little bit. I think I used like way too much gel because I can see it flaking up on the side. Tease it in the back, and this is just going to help it. See how it's already starting to get fuller on this side? It's just because of the teasing method. I want it to have a little bit more Okay, so yeah, it's about to drive me crazy. This is pretty much the final look. So the look, real simple. Didn't really have to do a whole lot. Really, this wig was already ready for slaying. So yeah, if you want to purchase this wig, everything will be below. So the length ended up actually being perfect. This hair is like a wavy texture. I don't know if it's going to wet up if I wave it. I really don't even want to try that, but I really do like this look because it requires no styling whatsoever besides, you know, putting the hair up in a ponytail. But as far as like curling the hair or anything, didn't have to do that. So this is a real quick, simple wig that you can turn fabulous in just a matter of minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.